Alright guys, on today's video, we're going to see why my nail gun tore up. So we're going to take it apart and see what's inside, see how it works, and see if possibly we can fix it. So I'm going to show y'all what it does real quick. Grab the air hose. So when I plug this thing up right here, it just does this. It doesn't drive the piston back or whatever, get ready to reload. So I'm gonna pop the cover off and see what's under here. Alright, so I got a couple hex heads here, Allen wrench, whatever you call it. Now, if you ain't got none of these, go on your impact. Man, these things are a lifesaver. So whatever, I'll pop that in here. Zip these screws out real fast. And we'll see what's up underneath this thing. I guess somebody decided to tighten one way up. The old ratchet here. There we go. Pop this. I guess it's like a, call that the head. I don't know in the nail gun terms. I got that off. So here's what's inside. We got some type of looks like a spring and a plastic piston of some sort with an O-ring around it. And I figure this is our problem right here. Some kind of rubber, feels like wax, but it's some kind of rubber ring right here. And here's the rest of it down in there. I think there's another piston in here. Yeah, so I got my welding rod. And we'll go where the nail comes out of here. Poke it in there. And it shoots out on the table like that. So yeah, we got a cylinder, got something down in there still. I guess that don't come out. Some kind of rubber bump stop thing. I'll leave that propped up so dirt don't get in it. There's some kind of O-ring around that piston. I guess that's your nail rod. And so it's pretty wore out on the backside. And I hope I remember what way that went in there. But this seems to be the problem. This is the third nail gun that I've got. And somehow this, whatever it is, little rubber piece, cracks and breaks. And don't nobody say there's too much pressure when it's blowing it apart, because I regulated the pressure at 90 psi, so I know that wasn't a problem. So whatever, yeah, it just seems to, every time I buy a nail gun at the pawn shop, you shoot it for, you'll get it into the, enough nails into the job that you need it, and then you'll have it sitting over there just plugged in, all of a sudden it'll go push and start spraying. And it's this thing right here. And I'm guessing that's like a, looks to me like some kind of head gasket or something. And dang, this nail gun had a rough life. It's just full of sand. I bought this one at the pawn shop. Let's see if I can pop this out. So that's just another plastic piece. I don't know why they use plastic. Got O-rings on it. Goes in here, and I'm guessing this is your like valves. You know, engine, you got valves. I'm guessing this is like a valve. Moves. This whole chamber is full of air pressure down in here, and all that pressure gets blasted right into the damn cylinder, shoving the piston down, shoving the nail through the wood. I'm guessing that's how it works. But yeah, O-rings and plastic valves. Man, that's a Boschage too. That's supposed to be a good one. I'm gonna try wrapping it with duct tape and seeing if it makes some kind of seal back to this head part. See if it works. I don't think it's gonna work, but we'll give it a shot. Alright, I'm not even gonna put the plastic deal on here at all. I'm just gonna wrap it real good around this and try to replace that plastic thing with just straight good old duct tape and see if it fixes it. But like I said, if it don't work, I'll buy a new one. Or order the parts or whatever. Extra off right here around the top. The way I think it works is like it's against it and it's sealed, and when you push the trigger, air pressure flies out of the trigger, raises that little plastic deal up, and all the pressure in here goes down in that hole. So when it's leaking, it won't hold pressure. So I'm hoping it'll set on this duct tape, create a seal. I don't know. It's anybody's guess. I wanted to use electrical tape, I couldn't find it, and there it was. Let's go with the knife here. Trying to leave enough so I can just fold it over and try to keep it the same height all the way across. So there we go, and I'll fold it all over sort of inside the cylinder. Well, we'll put the cover back on her and see if that'll make a seal.
It's gonna be a tight one going back on. So I just added like a whole bunch of duct tape to it, so I'll just suck her down with screws in. Get my little ratchet here, give them a good torquing. And like I said, if it don't work, I can probably order that little piece on the internet for a little or nothing. But I ain't got, I'm trying to build an add-on on the building over here. So a bigger studio, I ain't got time to wait on down 2 weeks for this to turn around. So let's give that a shot and see what happens.
We'll go ahead and load some nails in it. Got a strip of these old, what is it, 26 degree, 3 inches. Slap that in there, lock her down. I'll grab the air hose and let's just see what happens. It's leaking, but not as bad as it was. Hey, it works. Duct tape, man. Duct tape fixes everything.